Fabrizio, why don't you tell us about the Broadband Forum's latest broadband open source software project, OB-Stamp?
Okay, the basic idea of having an open broadband forum OB-Stamp project is to facilitate the implementation of this protocol, which is an ATF standard protocol, on the CP devices that are available in every subscriber home. Having this kind of tools allows the service provider to collect performance information about the connection, the lines and so on, especially about latency, jittering and so on. And having this information this kind of information are critical to train deep learning system that will support the automatic management of the network for the service provider, which in turn will provide a better service for the subscriber in the end. So the idea to having an open source project is to lower the cost of deploying this kind of technology for the service provider. So having this low cost will allow to have this information that are provided by the system. Currently, this is a standard protocol, so it means that can be deployed, implemented by anybody, but this requires a cost, which is an access cost that somehow prevent to have this technology, this methodology distributed in every place.
So what it does is it provides the basis then for the kinds of things we heard at this conference, the Town Hall Summit, of being able to provide the data that then trains the machine learning algorithms to understand the network and automate.
Exactly. The basic of any machine learning artificial intelligence is based on data. And you need to generate this data and collect this data, analyze this data. Having a tool that is free, and that leverage on other technology provided by the Broadband Forum standards and services will really zero the implementation cost. And without this cost, we believe that this data can be more easily provided, and therefore we can enable the automatic management of the network. Without this data, without this data, we can't have deep learning, either for the training and also for operating the system.
And so this is open source, so that means any operator can actually just use this code, right?
Exactly, that's the point. It is not just using the code, but also having a mean to distribute this code easily on the CP, on the subscriber CP, to collect the information that is provided by this code, the measurement provided by this code, and so on. It is part of the, let's say, of the environment, the Broadband Forum environment. It fits.
And if an operator or anyone else wants to contribute to this, it's pretty simple, right?
Yes, if any operator or vendor as well wants to be part of this project, they just have to sign the broadband papers that are required just to access that. And then their requirements and their contribution and so on can be incorporated in this project. Of course, being an open source, it means that everybody can use in the end the result of the project. But if they need or want to have some special feature or some requirements that are not, we have not envisioned because we don't know everything what everybody wants, It's a good chance to participate and be part of the project and have their idea implemented in the project.
Excellent. Well, it sounds like it really is just the beginning of something that is going to impact operators and impact the networks positively for a long time. So, Fabrizio, thank you.
Thank you very much.